Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask in Humanity Protocol. First, open your MetaMask wallet and ensure it is unlocked. Next, navigate to the Humanity Protocol website using your browser. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. This initial step is crucial for beginning your secure interaction with the platform. Before connecting, make sure your MetaMask wallet is fully prepared. Open the extension and confirm you are logged in. Check that you are on the appropriate network, which is typically the Ethereum mainnet for many decentralized applications. Having your password handy will streamline the process, as you might need to approve transactions or sign messages. Now let's connect. On the Humanity Protocol website, locate and click the Connect Wallet button. A pop-up will appear, presenting various wallet choices. Select MetaMask. Your MetaMask extension will then prompt you to approve the connection. Review the requested permissions carefully before confirming to ensure a secure link. After approving, check the Humanity Protocol website to confirm your wallet address is visible, indicating a successful connection. You might try a small interaction, like viewing your profile, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter issues, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Also, remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.